And so my print has completed. Now it's just a matter of taking it from the printer. And this one took over a day to do. Now it's a matter of breaking it off the plate. And we just have to flex the plate so it comes from the plate. And let's see what we can do here. There we go. It's not too bad. Some of these supports are coming away a little bit easier than I normally have to struggle with. Let's see. Maybe not so much at the front. Oh yeah. There are little imperfections here and there, but nothing that can't be tidied up. Be careful with these. So it looks like the sunglasses are a little bit broken. I'm going to have to fix that somehow. And I'm going to have to paint the cigar and maybe a touch up here and there. Yep, needs a bit of work, but not too bad. Duke Nukem 3D.